कॅग अहवालातून राफेल संदर्भातील प्रश्नांची उत्तरं मिळण्याऐवजी अधिक प्रश्न निर्माण होत असल्याचं सांगून राफेल विमानांच्या वादग्रस्त खरेदीची मुळं गोव्यात असल्याचा आरोप गोईचा आवाज संघटनेनं केलाय. राफेल विमानाची निवड 2012 मध्ये काँग्रेसच्या शासनानंच केली, पण कराराबाबत दोन्ही देशात एकमत नव्हतं. मात्र 2014 मध्ये पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदींनी देशाची सूत्र स्वीकारली आणि संरक्षण मंत्री म्हणून मनोहर पर्रीकर यांनी सूत्र स्वीकारली आणि त्यानंतर प्रकरणाची सुरुवात झाली. याच दरम्यान दसॉल्ट कंपनीनं काँग्रेसनं केलेल्या वादग्रस्त कराराबद्दल काहीही बोलण्यास तयार नसल्यामुळे तत्कालीन संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांनी जुना करार रद्द केला होता. 2015 मध्ये पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी फ्रान्सचा दौरा केला. या दौऱ्यात त्यांनी राफेल संबंधी यशस्वी करार करून 2016 मध्ये विमान खरेदीचा सामंजस्य करार केला होता. मात्र हा करार करण्यापूर्वी पर्रीकर यांनी DPM 2016 अर्थात डिफेन्स परचेस मॅन्युअलमध्ये दुरुस्ती केली असल्याचं जाहीर केलं होतं. त्यामुळे ही दुरुस्ती आणि कराराचा संपूर्ण घटनाक्रम संशयास्पद असून पर्रीकर यांनी या संदर्भात खुलासा करावा अशी मागणी गोईचा आवाज संघटनेनं केली आहे.
That the then defense minister Shri Manohar Parrikar said it appears that the PMO and the French president's office are monitoring the progress of the issue. That means as the Raksha Mantri he was kept out. Does he want to say he was not trusted by the Prime Minister with the security of the country? He should come clean on it. Again, if you recollect, Defense Expo zallo आणि एट कॅपे ताणें एक पत्रकारांक म्हणलें विथ प्रायड that he has brought some amendments and the new defense purchase manual, that is DPM, Defense Purchase Manual 2016 आपणे हाडला म्हूण, and that will ensure fast track procurement and processes of procuring arms and ammunition. And in that he says there is a significant amendment which talks about intergovernmental agreement. तो सांगता intergovernmental agreement आतून इनकॉर्पोरेट केल्या in the new defense procurement manual 2016. आणि under this defense procurement manualaचो amendment पळय आसा intergovernment agreement तातून हे 36 aircraft आणि विकत्या घेतल्या. And now it is raising a stink. There are corruption charges. That means that amendment what the then defense minister Shri Manohar Parrikar brought has led to this corruption. वो ताका आमी प्रश्न विचारूंक सोदता. There is a set of questions जे आमच्या गोंयच्या आवाजान प्रिपेर केल्या आणि हे श्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक आन्सर करचे पडटले. ही इज आन्सरेबल नॉट ओन्ली टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा बट ऑल्सो टू द एंटायर कंट्री. आमचे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जावन आसा, यू वर द देन डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर अंडर whom the Rafale deal was being done. Did he do this by following the DPM and the DPP's defense procurement procedure? Did he follow it in letter and spirit की नावाकूच असलो DPM and DPP काढलेलो ताणें? This is our first question. Our second question is, तो म्हणटा in an interview to NDTV he says that तो number पयलींचो आशिल्लो number of aircraft 126, he says that it was outdated. तो म्हणटा it was 7-8 years old. Demand of 126 aircraft, it would have increased म्हणटा तो. Then how come from 126 here they are reducing to 36? We want to ask Shri Parrikar, when he says in 2015 that the number of aircraft 126 was outdated, then why is he reducing it? Is he not compromising with the security of the country? God forbid there was a war that time, what he would have done? Our next question is, to म्हणपाक लागलो, when he cancelled that deal of 126 aircraft, the original deal, he said there is corruption. If there was corruption, why didn't he order for an inquiry? Why did he keep quiet? Was there some compromise? ताणे inquiry कित्याक मागूंक ना? We want him to answer this. Our next question, on what basis did Mr. Parrikar and his ministry decide on the figure of 36? Or 36 magic figure, ताणी कसो decide केलो? I can tell you with my defense background, to decide on that 126, he goes to start only 2000 under Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 2000 and he starts only ghost. And that time the defense minister was Shri late George Fernandes. And in 2004 government changed zalo and UPN fude veli. Negotiations happened and everything. And that number 126 was decided by the Air Force, that this is what is the minimum requirement in case of war. And now they are reducing it to 36. We want to ask, this 36 aircraft, was it decided by the Prime Minister of India and the President of France in that negotiation?